If you're a new agent and you're not closing any deals, then you're probably overlooking this one important step. In this video, we're going to show you exactly how we maximize our open house and show you step by step on how you can close more deals. AJ, we have this open house this weekend.
No doubt.
It's going to be amazing. Definitely need to get some things together.
What you thinking?
I'm thinking we definitely need signs. It's Halloween, so maybe some cute cookies. Maybe definitely got to make sure that we're opening up the house in a very specific way. Lighting, smells, make sure everything is clean.
Yeah.
Maybe we can door knock the neighborhood and let people know we're doing the open house.
That sounds like a great idea. Tamara, when people go to an open house, what do you think they're looking for?
They're looking for, well, what brings them into an open house is definitely good photos. And they definitely want to make sure that they're remembering the house that they're walking through. So I definitely like to create like flyers that, list how many bedrooms, bathrooms, square footage,
Okay.
everything like that. And also putting our information about us and the team on that as well, so they won't forget who they're talking to.
Yeah, I feel like a major part of it is location, but not only just location, but schedule. So depending on people's schedule, like we may get more traffic on the weekend versus if we was to host an open house on Tuesday.
Right.
Does that make sense?
Weekends are always better.
Yeah.
Because people are off. And then definitely like in the afternoon, because if we do like a Sunday, people are at church. Saturday, people are at brunch.
Yeah.
So definitely between like 2 and 4,
Okay.
I think would be a good time frame.
So how about we host the open house this weekend, Saturday or Sunday?
Let's do Saturday.
Okay.
Between 2 and 4, I think that'd be great.
2 and 4?
Yeah. 2 and 5. Let's take it a step further.
Okay.
Yeah.
I know most agents do it for like maybe an hour, but we're gonna go the extra mile and do it for like 3.
Yeah, that'd be good.
Now,
Do you think we should bring anything special?
we definitely have to have something to bring in the vibe. So definitely like some candles. They may be hungry.
Maybe a DJ booth. They might want to party.
DJ flop drops.
Are pets welcome?
Not typically.
Okay.
Maybe on the outside. Well, maybe we'll have like a little dog place where people can come and.
Okay. And as far as our signs, how will people know that like we're hosting an open house?
We literally put like 50 signs, left to right, front, center, on Main Street.
50 signs?
Yeah, that leads up to the house. So every time that they make a turn, they see the next sign, and it kind of leads them to the house.
I like that idea. Okay.
It's a lot of stop and go out of your car though. Like I'll sit in your car and just jump out, and you just keep driving, just keep going back and forth.
That works. I feel like the most important part of the whole open house though, we have to convert these people from just being lookers to being buyers. So what we're gonna do is we must have our proper paperwork.
Yeah, like the buyer broker agreement.
That part.
Immediately there. Yeah. So that way we can target unrepresented buyers as well, and just make sure that if they're not going to buy today, they're going to buy sometime, and it's going to be with us.
Right. Now I know a lot of people, they won't even come to an open house if they maybe not be, or if they're already working for an agent. Do we discriminate to those people?
Absolutely not. If anything, we definitely encourage them to meet with the lending officer, and we have those resources in-house. That way they feel comfortable right off the bat. Okay, so I think we got a good game plan together. Now we're just going to prep, get everything going, and we'll see you on Saturday, huh?
We see some extra traffic. That's why you guys need to come down. You want to come down and see us production? I'm excited. If I'm walking too fast, because I'll sprint.
Ma'am,
Yes.
you won't find anybody there because that's my house.
Oh, okay,
This is
perfect.
my mom.
You got both?
Yeah, this half's my mom's and then I'm over there.
I love that. Okay, great. See ya.
Bye-bye.
That's so nice. I would love to live next to my mom. Dog, never mind. Sometimes they want to talk to us. Coming by to let you know we're going to be having an open house down the street. So if anybody sees extra traffic or something, that's why we like to come down. We also have snacks and like refreshments and everything. I see you in the window. We just wanted to let you guys know. She was like peeking through the window. That's so funny. Hurry up. Happy that it's not like
scorching hot like it was yesterday. That would have been terrible. So I actually worked in general contracting for 5 years, and there is a duplex at the end of the street that we actually flipped, and one of a really good friend of mine actually lives there, so I'm wondering if they're there today. They're typically at work at this time though. And Quality Dumpsters is also another company that we worked with a lot to supply our dumpsters for flips and things of that nature. Maybe they're doing another flip in there, because that's actually this one or the one down there. Might be a little.
Bitch ass dog. See, this is why we need to go further, because it don't make sense for us to both, like, you know, maybe I should start down, come back, and then meet up. Okay. Come with me, bro. Sick of this shit. We gotta get out here, man. Motherfuckers don't wanna come to the door. So what does that mean? We can do this the easy way, or we can do this the hard way. Come to the door. Let's see the inside the front.
Just double check the MLS and make sure that I know every single feature, everything that's around the area, just so when buyers come in, I can definitely just give them all the information and make sure that they have a clear understanding of exactly what they are buying. Hi, I'm Tamara with Assets Real Estate. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
What's your name?
Ann.
Nice to meet you, Anne. Thank you so much for coming to our open house.
Thank you.
So obviously this is our kitchen. They did a lot of amazing upgrades. We have luxury vinyl plank on the floor. These are brand new granite countertops with shaker cabinets and gold fixtures, stainless steel appliances all throughout, and then subway tile on the back. Definitely some really nice upgrades. Then we have our electric fireplace, so you can definitely get ready for the fall that's coming up with that. Then we come over here and we have your living space. They definitely did a really good job staging the area, so our clients can definitely understand what you can fit in here and just compare it to what kind of furniture you have right now. Okay, and so in here you have your washer and dryer. It's double stacked but also full size. And then when you come over here, this is one of my favorite style bathrooms, which is kind of like a Pinterest mood board type of vibe. I really love that color. Yeah, so that's your first floor. KJ is actually going to take you upstairs and show you what's going on up there.
Hello, I'm Kavaris. Nice to meet you. Let's go upstairs. Am I moving too fast? Okay. So upstairs, we're gonna have 3 bedrooms and 1 bathroom up here. First things first, I have this area here where this can be kind of a multi-purpose room. Here it's being used as like a studio, office setup. Depending on you, you can choose to do whatever you like to do with it. It does have ample closet space here. Like I said, it all just depends on you. So here we're gonna get into this bathroom here. They did just do some remodeling here. I love this countertop in here with the lighting around the mirror. Now, as far as you, for your preference, do you like a bathroom off to the side or one that's kind of like inside of the room?
I would prefer
Okay. Okay, perfect. Let's check out some other spaces inside the room. So next, this is gonna be like our primary suite. So as you've been a new buyer, I suppose this would be your bedroom. We do have a nice closet space. Next, I know that I said the other room could be an office, but maybe let's say if you want one room to be your office and then one room to be like a studio. I feel like this would be ideal for an office. Also, you do have great views of the cul-de-sac. So maybe if you want to kind of like see who's outside, there you go. And that's pretty much it on this level.
So what do you think about the house so far?
love the space. I definitely love all the upgrades and the furnishing. I love how it ties throughout the entire house. This would be something I'm interested in.
Yeah, awesome. So you're currently renting, correct?
Yes.
Okay, and I know you mentioned that the lease is going to be up soon. How long
Yes,
is that going to be?
Within about 6 months.
Okay, but you know, how is that going? Are you?
I would prefer to, get out of that as soon as I could, within reason.
Okay.
Obviously.
Yeah. So we definitely have some options that we could look at to help you get out that lease quicker without any penalty to you
Okay.
in terms of breaking your lease. So that's something we can definitely look into. Our next steps are, pretty straightforward, and you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So
Now I know that you said that you love this home and that you are serious about like going within the next step to purchase. How would you be purchasing? Like, would it be cash or would you be assuming a loan? Or
It would be through a loan.
okay, great. Now, any by chance, are you military?
No,
Okay, great. So my next question: have you already been pre-approved?
no, I have not.
That's awesome. It's not a problem. So what we'll usually do is we'll go ahead and get you in touch with a lender at your time, whatever's easiest for you. I'll set up the call. We'll just have a basic conversation with you. So all you would do is just let them know, like, just be as real as possible with them, so that way we can really understand your situation and how we can help you.
Okay, sounds easy enough.
Yeah.
yeah, and it's a pretty quick process. As soon as we get that done, as soon as we can start looking at homes, and that way, as soon as you're ready to buy one, we can hop on it as soon as possible.
That sounds
And I always like to give the example. It's very important to go ahead and get the pre-approval out of the way, so that way, for example, imagine you going to the mall, but you have no money. You're just looking around. It's just basically like window shop. So the same thing with buying a home. You want to go ahead and get that bag, so that way you can understand and be able to not only just waste your time, but make sure you're using your loan to the best of your ability. Does that make sense?
Yes, that makes perfect sense. I appreciate it.
No problem.
Thank you. All right, so what are the next steps in this process after getting approved?
Yeah, well, first we actually need to sign what's called a buyer representation agreement. Basically, the NARS settlement that happened last year requires agents to have a buyer rep. We're gonna go ahead and take care of that. And then we're gonna set you up with our lender, and he's gonna go through the process of getting your information, your financials, and then we'll be able to know how much buying power you have, and then we'll be able to start showing homes.
Okay, that sounds good.
Yes. And I always like to go ahead and include and let people know ahead of time. This paperwork right here does not say that you are obligated to buy a home within the next 6 months. It also does not say that I am going to get paid X amount of dollars. This simply just says that I represent you, we work together, and that no one can come in between our agreement.
We're gonna go ahead and just fill that out. All right, well, thank you so much. We're really looking forward to working with you.
Thank you.
Perfect. And so I'm going to go ahead and set up the call with our lender. He should be giving you a call around 3 o'clock on tomorrow. Is that okay with you?
That sounds good. Thank
Great.
you.
Great. So after that, possibly next week at some point, we'll be setting up tours for you to get out and we actually see some homes and get a feel for the homes. Okay?
Yep.
Sounds good.
Have a good one.
That's it for this video. Thank you all for watching. You all got to see the whole process of this open house, from the preparation to us door knocking the neighborhood to even just walking through with clients. If you want to know how to close your next deal, be sure to follow these steps. If you want to know more about real estate, be sure to watch the next video.